Hey Internet, today we're going to be doing a chain assembly and I'll also talk about the sprockets. So first of all, not sponsored by Reynolds, but we're using Reynolds' design because they provide free PDFs. So they do provide a design PDF for the chain and they provide the dimensions as well. So that's why we're using Reynolds, but there are other companies. So if they provide free step-by-step design and the dimensions, by all means, you're free to use them. But today we're just using Reynolds. So first of all, draw a chain path. So mine's just an oval shape. And this is once you've done the calculations by the step-by-step PDF. Um, yep, so you draw the plane and then you've got a sublink which is just basic parts provided by the dimensions over here. As you can see, it's just a roller, a pin. All these dimensions come from the PDF. Inner link or inner plate and outer plate. For this bit they didn't specify, so what I did was I added a third circle and just trimmed it to make it all nice and smooth. Okay, so once you've got your pieces, you just add them into assembly and then you get a sublink. So a sublink assembly, which is what I've got here. Once you do that, you just put it into another assembly. Now what you do is just click the chain pattern. For my chain, it's going to be running on Sprockets, so we're going to pick the third one. Depending on what you need it for, you might choose other ones. Okay, so it says click the chain path, so we'll just click our chain path and then we'll do filling later. Right now we want to pick our axis next, and we want to pick this axis. It might be a little bit hard to see. Now path alignment, I've just made a mid-plane on my roller mid-plane, and now you can see it's got a preview of where it's going. Now for fill, you can go auto fill path, but for some strange reason mine doesn't auto fill, so I just add an extra link to fill it. Okay, and that's your chain assembly done. As for your sprockets and gears, pinion, I guess, what you do is just design library, toolbox, ISO. Again, you've got PDFs that allow you to figure out and calculate what sprockets and gears you need. So again, just follow those PDFs. Go to ISO, and then go to power transmission, gears, and then you just drag and drop. And then here we go. That's your thing. So again, you should have your dimensions from the PDF, and you can calculate your module from your, I believe it is pitch divided by radius? Nope. Well, anyways, it's in the PDF, so I forget. That's why I always refer to the PDF. And then number of teeth. Oh, yes, now I remember. So it's actually your pitch radius divided by the number of teeth. So this, in this case, this will be whatever the number divided by, I think, 21. So we get like 5 or something. And 21. For our chain, it was 9.2. And this allows you to get a hub to support the shaft. Pressure angle is normally 20. We hardly use 14.5. Yeah. Anyways, so you should get something like that. And then once you do that, you just align that with your chain, so they centered and they move accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment. Until next time, see ya.